Have you ever experienced frustrating lag, disconnects, or trouble connecting with friends in your favorite online PC games? It is a common hurdle that can really dampen your gaming fun. Often, the solution lies in understanding a little bit about how your game talks to the internet. To directly answer your question, identifying PC game port numbers is about finding the specific digital doorways your game uses to communicate across your network and the internet. These unique numbers are essential for your router and firewall to allow game data to flow freely, ensuring a smooth and responsive online experience. Think of your internet connection as a big apartment building and your PC as one of the apartments. Each apartment has many doors, and each of these doors has a number. These are your ports. When your game wants to send or receive information, like your character's movements or chat messages, it uses a specific port number to make sure the data goes to the right place and not to your web browser or email program. Your router acts like a doorman, and for game data to pass through without issues, the doorman sometimes needs to be told which specific port to leave open for your game. This process is called port forwarding. Without knowing the correct port numbers, your router might block this vital game traffic, leading to connection problems. Many games use common port ranges, but some have very specific, unique ports, often either Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, or User Datagram Protocol, or UDP, or sometimes both. Knowing these helps you configure your network settings accurately. So, how do you find these elusive numbers? The best place to start is always the game's official support website or its developer's documentation. They usually list the required ports for optimal online play. If that information is not readily available, community resources are incredibly helpful. Websites like the PC Gaming Wiki often maintain extensive lists of port numbers for a vast array of games. You can simply search for your game's title followed by port numbers or port forwarding. Another method, if you have already set up port forwarding for a game in the past, is to check your router's settings. Look for the port forwarding section, and you might see the previously configured ports there. For the more technically curious, you can even use a command line tool on your computer called netstat. This tool, when run with specific parameters, can show you active network connections and the ports your applications are currently using. For example, typing netstat --n into your command prompt can give you a snapshot of all active connections and listening ports, which can be useful for advanced troubleshooting. Understanding which ports are open and active can give you a real edge in diagnosing network issues yourself. By taking the small step of identifying and potentially configuring these game port numbers, you are essentially optimizing your connection's pathway directly for your gaming traffic. This simple but powerful action can transform a frustrating online experience into a seamless, enjoyable one, allowing you to focus on the fun of playing with your friends without interruptions. It is a fantastic way to fine-tune your PC gaming setup for peak performance.